You know, a lot of people are all about the turkey on Thanksgiving. I'm all about the turkey after Thanksgiving. Let me introduce you to my curry masala turkey sandwich. Alright, so first step is you've got shredded turkey. It's cool if it's dry, let's be honest. Most of it's gonna be dry. So we've just got about 4 cups of shredded turkey. So I've got dried cranberries because cranberries and turkey, but you can use currants, you can use apricots, anything sticky and sweet. So I'm gonna add those right in. So I've got some shallots and I'm just gonna cut these as small as I possibly can, right? The smaller the better, because that way it falls in between all the different layers. Do not discriminate the nub. It's all about the nub. All right, so I'm gonna cut this up nice and fine. Well, you can even add a little salt over the top of this. A shallot makes a chef cry. Best way to not cry, sharpen your knives. In we go with the shallots, right over the top of the cranberries. Wipe your tears, it's gonna be okay. And then I'm gonna use Sir Kensington's curry masala sauce. I'm still crying. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this turkey sandwich. Cool, so this looks great. Now it's all about the Sir Kensington's everything sauce, curry masala. Just try some. So you can kind of know. Insane. Insane on anything roasted. I love it on fish, but it plays so good with the turkey. So I'm gonna lose the whole top because I need basically the whole bottle. So this is gonna go right in. All right, so this bottle is toast. If you have little dregs left on the side, squeeze a little lemon juice, a little olive oil, shake it up. You've got a really good dressing. I'm gonna add some salt right over the top and give this whole thing a good toss through. Look at that, man. Let me try. Woo-hoo-hoo! So I'm all about the shreddis, which is shredded lettuce. And the important part of the shreddis is to go as fine as you can. That way it doesn't take over the sandwich, it complements the meat and the sauce. At this point, you grab a couple pieces of toasted bread. I like Texas toast because it's thick. Go high. Right when you think you've gone high enough, it's like Jenga. Keep going. Beautiful. Grab a little bit of that shreddis. Pile that nice and tight, right on top. Slap on one of the lids. Oh yeah, baby. Couple toothpicks. Cut it right down the diameter. I mean, look at that. Ridiculous! Everyone is all about the turkey on Thanksgiving. I feel like I've mastered the turkey the day after Thanksgiving. Enjoy this sandwich, and thank you, Sir Kensington's, for making it that much better.